in Bernard Lodge, in building a new city there, essentially. I'm not going to go into the Portmore argument because, you know, again, it is unfortunate that an attempt to ensure that as our society develops and evolves and different geographical areas show a trajectory in their own economy, in their own culture and social idiosyncrasies, that you seek to ensure that the administrative arrangement for their public affairs closely matches that trajectory. That's what it is. There's nothing political about it. When you think of Portmore, the reason why Portmore became a municipality is that the then mayor realized that. And the then political party also realized that and said, yes, Portmore is evolving on its own. And it's not just Portmore that is evolving. Negril is also evolving, more so because it straddles two parishes. And so it needs its own administrative arrangement. So we can't be wedded to this fact that it's 14 parishes and it's God sent it down in the 10 Commandments and it can't change. We must have agency. If we're going to talk about our independence, then it means that we must think of ourselves as being powerful enough, knowledgeable enough. We must trust ourselves enough that we can make these administrative changes that will improve ourselves. Not some stupid argument about it's going to cause people to lose election. Come on. So, Spanish Town is on the books for development attention. We have had several plans put forward. Sparcom, some of you may have heard about Sparcom as a development plan. But we are looking at Spanish Town in a much broader way to restore its historical buildings, particularly its Georgian buildings, to improve that bridge that is there, to preserve the historical bridge, to do a thorough upgrade. An upgrade was done in the 80s of the road coming in, Burke Road and so forth, but all of that has to be developed. We have to improve the market district. Sewage has to be put in, and the water mains have to be changed. It's a massive undertaking. So drainage as well. So in my budget presentation, I will have something to say about what we intend to do in Spanish Town. So you have been an excellent audience, and you have listened to me give a quite extensive presentation. But these ceremonies are important. As I read the archival report of the opening of this hospital 72 years ago, and it recorded what the then Governor General, I believe it's Hugh Foote, Governor Hugh Foote said, what Bustamante said, he was then the chief minister, and what others have said. We have to properly document our history. And so I'm sure that my comments here will probably be read 70 years from now as motivation for this nation to do even better. God bless you, and thank you.